Hello everyone. In this video I'll be doing a review of the Pizza Delight pizza and garlic fingers. So Pizza Delight is an Atlantic Canadian pizza restaurant chain and they have some really great pizza and garlic fingers. I had their Burger Love 2022 yesterday and got some pizza, so I'm having to reheat it in the oven. Pizza here again, just give a review on what I think about it. The pizza and the garlic fingers. Woo, with their amazing Donair sauce. So I want to start off with the garlic fingers because, you know, they're like the starter to the pizza. So they're there. You can give them bacon or just like this. I think this is great. And they have like a good garlic paste underneath the cheese. And it's grilled on there perfect. Burned on there. Amazing. I find their dough has its own unique taste and it's actually really good. I'm not sure what to liken it to. I'll spit there, drooling. I'm not sure what to compare this to, as it's not like other pizza places. It has its own unique bread taste and ingredients, which is really good. So for that, I really like it. I'm gonna try with the Donair sauce here next, and then I'll try with the pizza. Really good Donair sauce. The best Donair sauce I think I've ever had. They give you a huge amount for garlic fingers, which is super amazing. And it's really good. Winner. Next, I have the pizza here, which I got pepperoni, Donair meat, and green pepper. Pretty unique, and I like that they have some different options. You can get Donair meat without adding an extra charge to it. It's like a regular ingredient there, so that's pretty cool. We'll get right into it here. Amazing. The Donair meat has a nice taste to it too. And pepperoni, I really like their pepperoni too. Oddly enough, they sell their own pepperoni at like the grocery stores here. So it's good enough that they sell it at the store. It's that good. They also have their own garlic fingers and pizza at the store now too, which is pretty cool. Pizza Light doing some big things. I have one more bite of this, and I'll give my final review. Yeah, so Pizza Delight, amazing pizza, good taste. It's Atlantic Canadian, and I don't know, I like the flavor of the bread. Their ingredients all are very well flavored. Pizza sauce is good too. Garlic fingers are amazing. Donair sauce is amazing. Everything about this pizza I really like. So I'll give the Pizza Delight pizza and garlic fingers a 9 out of 10. One of my favorite pizza places. It is just seriously so good. So if you're in any of the areas where you can find one of these, definitely go check it out. It is amazing. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.